Hello everyone, this is chapter 12 linear programming, and this year we have only one exercise, that is 12.1, because other exercise they are reduced due to this COVID-19. So let's see first question, how can solve this linear inequalities. So question 1 is solve the following linear programming problems graphically, and here first question, maximize z is equal to 3x plus 4y. It is an object function z, which is a object. What is the object of this linear programming? And these are the subject to constant, means conditions. What is the condition? Condition which is in inequality form. So subject to constants, that is x plus y less than or equal to 4, and x is greater than or equal to 0 and y also greater than or equal to 0. So x and y both are greater than or equal to 0, it means both are positive. So our answer, it should be in first quadrant, because x and y both are positive in first quadrant. So first corresponding equations of inequality number 1 is x plus y is equal to 4. So when we put x equal to 0 here, you will get y is equal to 4. When y equal to 0, then you will get x is equal to 4. Now draw the graph of this equation. So this is x-axis, y-axis, and 0 comma 4 and 4 comma 0. So this is 0 comma 4 and this is 4 comma 0. So first draw this line. Now find its solution. So put 0 comma 0 in inequality number 1. Inequality number means x plus y less than or equal to 4. So write 0 0 here. So 0 plus 0, which is less than to 4, and since 0 which is less than to 4, which is true, so our solution region contain origin. It means the solution region which contain origin, it means lower half plane, and x and y both are positive. So x is greater than to 0, it means upper side, y also greater than to this side. So it will be, x is greater than to 0 this side and y that is greater than to this side. So it is a first quadrant. So common area of this part, right half plane, upper half plane, and lower half plane of line number 1, which is only triangle OAB. Now observe this triangle. Here this is a bounded area, and this here we have only bounded region, unbounded region which is once again removed this year. So OAB, this is bounded area. Here point A, which is 0 0, which is lowest, because we want to find maximum area, maximum value of this function. Point A, that is 4 comma 0, and point B, which is 0 comma 4. So draw a table, write corner points, these are the corner points, and our object function, that is z, which is 3x plus y, and we have to maximize the value of 3x plus y. So at point A, 4 comma 0, in place of x write 4, so 3 into 4 plus 0, it means 12, and B, that is 0 comma 4. So z is equal to, in place of x write 0, and 4 into 4 16. So obviously 16, which is the maximum value. So our z, which is maximized at point B, 0 comma 4. So at B 0 comma 4, z is maximum value, which is 16. So this is the solution, and this is known as subject to constant, and this is our object function. Object function, what is the object? Okay. Next question, question number 2. In question number 2, we have to find minimum value of z. Our object function z, which is minus 3x plus 4y, and subject to constant, it means given conditions, which is x plus 2y less than or equal to 8, 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12, and x is greater than or equal to 0, and y also greater than or equal to 0, it means first quadrant. So corresponding equations of inequality number 1 and 2, which is following. So x plus 2y equal to 8, and 3x plus 2y, which is equal to 12. Now make a table of equation number 1. So when we put x equal to 0, you will get 2y is equal to 8, it means y is equal to 4, and when you put y equal to 0, you will get x is equal to 8. Same as here, when you put x equal to 0, then 2y is equal to 12, means y is equal to 6, and when we put y equal to 0, you will get 3x is equal to 12 or x is equal to 4, and draw its graph first. So on graph paper, first draw this line 0 comma 4, this is 0 comma 4, and after that 8 comma 0, this is 8 comma 0. So this is line number 1 and give equation number 1. This is line number 1. After that 0 comma 6, this is 0 comma 6 and 4 comma 0, this is 4 comma 0. So this is line number 2nd. Now put origin 0 comma 0 in inequality number 1 and 2, inequality number 1 and 2. So 0 here and 0 here. So you will get 0 which is less than or equal to 8, that is true. And here also 3 into 0 and 2 into 0, which is once again 0, and 0 which is less than or equal to 12, also true. Since both are true, so our solution region contain origin. So solution part which is lower half plane of both inequalities, inequality number 1 and 2, and x and y both are positive. So in first quadrant this is the solution region, and this solution region also known as feasible solution region. Now, so point A, that is 4 comma 0, B which is 2 comma 3, and C that is 0 comma 4. So these are the corner points of this bounded area. So draw a table. In first column write corner points, and second our object function, that is z is equal to minus 3x plus 4y, and in this question we have to minimize z, we have to find minimum value of z. So at first point A, 4 comma 0. So in place of x write 4, y that is 0, so you will get minus 12. B 2 comma 3, so here 3 into minus 3 into 2 and 4 comma 3, so this is minus 6 and 4 into 3 12, and minus 6 and plus 12 it means only 6, and C which is 0 comma 4. So when you write 0 it will be 0, 4 into 4 16. So here minimum value which is minus 12, right here minimum. So at point A, 4 comma 0, z has minimum value and minimum value which is minus 12. This is our answer. Now question number 6, 4 and 9 which is reduced, because in this question number 6, 4, 6 and 9 you have unbounded region. This is bounded area, there is unbounded region. So once again they will remove this here. So question number 3, 5, 7, 8 and 10, all questions are same as this. Question number first and second. So please you may try at your home. Okay.